Hi everyone, how are y'all? So my name is Isheshpal and welcome to my channel Sheshpal Mathswala. In this video, this is the question that we are going to discuss. Here in this question, he is asking to prove that a plus b plus c whole square by a square plus b square plus c square is equal to cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 by cot a plus cot b plus cot c. Here what the result is given was given to us, and this is what the question is was asking us to prove. Solution. So let me consider cot A value. Cot A can be written as cos A by sin A, right? Cot A is nothing but cos A by sin A. Cos A is nothing but b plus b square plus e square minus a square by 2bc by, here we have sin rule. A by sin A is equal to b by sin B is equal to c by sin C is equal to k, right? This is what the constant that we have considered. Sin A is nothing but a by k. A by k is nothing but k by 2 into b square plus e square minus a square by a b c. Okay. Similarly, cot b can be written as cos b by sin b, right? Cos b is nothing but substituting like this expression, and sin b is nothing but b by k. On substituting, we will get k by 2 into a square plus c square minus b square by a b c. And cot c is nothing but k by 2 into a square plus b square minus c square by a b c. Okay, let me erase this part. So what next I am going to do is I am going to add these three terms: cot a plus cot b plus cot c is nothing but k by 2 into b square plus c square minus a square by a b c plus k by 2 a square plus c square minus b square by a b c plus k by 2 into a square plus b square minus c square by a b c. Okay, here what I am going to do is, let me take k by 2 a b c as common. Next, b square plus c square minus a square plus a square plus c square minus b square plus a square plus b square minus c square. Okay, here what will happen? A square gets cancelled, b square and b square gets cancelled, c square and c square gets cancelled, is equal to k by 2 a b c into a square plus b square plus c square, right? Let me erase this part for further simplification. It means cot A plus cot B plus cot C is nothing but k by 2 ABC into a square plus b square plus c square. Here a square plus b square plus c square. So here a square plus b square plus c square, it can be written as k by 2 ABC taking to LHS. 2ABC by k into cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Okay, a cot A plus cot B plus cot C is nothing but k by 2 ABC into a square plus b square plus c square. Similarly, is taking this term to this side, a square plus b square plus c square is going to be 2ABC by k into cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Okay, this is one thing. Let me erase this part. Now let me consider this whole LHS. LHS part. In LHS, he has given that a plus b plus c whole square by a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. We have sine rule. A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to K something constant. It's the constant that we have considered. Right? A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to K. So A by sine A is equal to K. So A is going to be K into sine A. B by sine B is equal to K. So B is going to be K into sine B. C is going to be K into sine C. So what next I am going to do is, let me substitute these values in this part. Because A square plus B square plus C square we have already found it. Okay. Next, let me substitute this here. Next, K square into sine A plus sine B plus sine C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. It's nothing but 2ABC by K into cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Okay. Let me erase this part. Let me take on further simplifying K cube into, on further simplifying this K goes to here, K cube into sin A plus sin B plus sin C whole square by 2ABC into cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Okay. Now, here what we need to consider is sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Let's simplify it separately. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B. It is going to be 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus sin C can be written as 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. 2 sin A plus B by 2. A plus B plus C is nothing but pi, right? A plus B is nothing but 180 degrees. Let me write simply 180 degrees. A plus B is nothing but 180 minus C. A plus B by 2 is nothing but 90 minus C by 2. So sine of A plus B by 2, it's nothing but sine of 90 minus C by 2. It's nothing but 2 cos C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus 2 sin C by 2 is nothing but cos A plus B by 2. C by 2 is nothing but 90 minus A plus B by 2. Sin C by 2 can be written as cos A plus B by 2. And similarly cos C by 2. Okay. Let me take 2 cos C by 2 as common. 2 cos C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 plus cos A plus B by 2. Cos A plus B by 2 plus cos A minus B by 2. Applying cos A plus B plus cos A minus B formula, it's going to be 2 cos A cos B. 2, in further simplifying, we are going to get 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C is nothing but 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Okay. Now what I am going to do is, we have got this value, right? Sin A plus sin B plus sin C is nothing but 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. I am going to substitute this value in this. Okay. Furtherly, we are going to get K cube into 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 whole square by 2 into A, B, C. We have got already values, right? Let me substitute here. K into sin A, K into sin B, K into sin C. Okay, let me write it as individually. Cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Okay, let me put this whole term aside and let me further simplify this. K cube, K gets cancelled. Okay, let me simplify only this part. Okay, 16 cos square A by 2, cos square B by 2, cos square C by 2 by 2 2 into sin A is nothing but 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Sin B is nothing but 2 sin B by 2 cos B by 2. Sin C is nothing but 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Okay. Cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2, and this gets cancelled. And 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 power 4, 16, 16 gets cancelled. Okay. Let me erase this part. So we are going to have cos A, cos B, cos C by sin A, sin B, sin C. It's nothing but cot A, cot B, cot C by cot A, cot B, cot C we have found after simplifying this part. And remaining is 1 by cot A, cot B, cot C, right? Let me write it here. By cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Oh, right here. Cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2. Okay. Let me erase this part. Plus A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. It's nothing but 180 degrees, right? Then A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is going to be 90 degrees. Let me put tan on both sides. C by 2 is nothing but tan 90, which is nothing but infinity. We know tan of A plus B plus C formula. It's nothing but sigma tan A. A is nothing but A by 2 minus pi tan A by 2 by 1 minus sigma tan A by 2 tan B by 2, which is nothing but infinity. When the whole value is going to be infinity. At what condition the value is going to be infinity? If the denominator is going to be equal to 0. Right? In next step, 1 minus sigma tan A by 2 tan B by 2 is equal to 1. Okay? Let me erase this thing. Sigma tan A by 2 tan B by 2 is nothing but tan A by 2 tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 tan C by 2 plus tan C by 2 tan A by 2. It is going to be 1. Right? Let me divide on both sides with tan A by 2 tan B by 2 tan C by 2 tan A by 2 tan B by 2 tan C by 2. Okay? I have divided on both sides with tan A, tan B, tan A by 2, tan B by 2 and tan C by 2. What will happen here? Tan A by 2, tan B by 2. It gets cancelled. And by tan C by 2, which is nothing but cot C by 2 plus B by... These both gets cancelled. 1 by tan A by 2. It's nothing but cot A by 2 plus... These both gets cancelled. Finally, cot B by 2 is nothing but cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2. Finally, we got cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 as cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. I have explained this whole thing from A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees to this because to make you know that this can be simplified as cot A by 2, cot B by plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. Let me put this value in this. So that finally we are going to get cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 by, let me erase this, by cot A plus cot B plus cot C, which is nothing but RHS. Okay, this is how we can prove the relation, the given relation A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square as tan cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 by cot A plus cot B by plus cot C. This is how we can prove the given relation. Okay, that's it for this video. Until then, tata.